If you're thinking about becoming a freelance digital marketer, you're on the right track. Digital marketing is booming, and with the rise of new technologies, especially AI, the demand for skilled marketers has never been higher. But you might be wondering, will digital marketing be replaced by AI? Or, will AI take over digital marketing altogether? Let's take a closer look at how you can get started in freelance digital marketing, and how digital marketing with AI is shaping this career path. To begin your journey, you need to understand what being a freelance digital marketer really means. Freelance digital marketers work as independent contractors, offering a variety of services to businesses looking to promote their products or services. This could involve creating content, running social media campaigns, handling email marketing, or even optimizing websites for search engines. The key is flexibility. You'll have the freedom to choose which areas of digital marketing you want to focus on and work with multiple clients at once. One of the first things you'll want to do is develop your skills. Freelance marketers can specialize in areas like SEO, content marketing, social media strategy, email campaigns, or even emerging fields like video marketing or digital marketing AI. To be successful, it's important to focus on what excites you the most and build expertise in that area. Once you've built your skills, the next step is to market yourself. In today's digital world, your online presence is everything. Create a portfolio website showcasing your work. Include case studies, client testimonials, and examples of successful campaigns you've worked on. The more professional and accessible your portfolio is, the easier it will be to attract potential clients. When it comes to finding clients, there are many ways to start. You can begin by reaching out to local businesses, friends, and family who may need help with their digital marketing efforts. Platforms like Upwork or Fiverr are also great places to get started, where you can bid on projects and gradually build a client base. Social media and professional networks like LinkedIn can also help you connect with people who might be looking for your expertise. But what about the question of AI and digital marketing? With AI becoming such a dominant force in the marketing world, you might wonder if AI will take over digital marketing entirely. While AI is a powerful tool for automating repetitive tasks, analyzing large datasets, and even creating content, it's unlikely to completely replace human marketers anytime soon. Instead, digital marketing with AI will likely evolve into a powerful partnership, with AI handling data-heavy tasks, and marketers using their creativity, strategic thinking, and personal touch to develop engaging campaigns. So, no, AI won't replace digital marketing, it will enhance it. In fact, digital marketing AI can help you work more efficiently by automating tasks like creating ads, writing content, and personalizing marketing messages at scale. This means you'll have more time to focus on the creative and strategic aspects of your campaigns, which is where your true value lies as a freelance marketer. As a freelance digital marketer, you'll also need to manage your time and resources effectively. You'll likely juggle multiple clients, each with their own goals and deadlines. Good time management skills and an understanding of project management tools are essential. Whether it's scheduling posts, creating content calendars, or managing client expectations, staying organized will be key to your success. Another important aspect of freelancing is setting your pricing. You can choose between charging per hour, per project, or offering retainer-based pricing. To figure out your rates, think about how many hours you plan to work and how much you want to earn. Keep in mind, as a freelancer, some of your time won't be billable, so make sure to account for that when setting your rates. Now, let's talk about skills. While you don't necessarily need a formal degree to become a freelance digital marketer, there are certain skills that will make you stand out. These include SEO knowledge, content creation, copywriting, and an understanding of marketing analytics. It's also important to stay updated on the latest trends and technologies, especially with the rapid advancement of AI in digital marketing. In addition to technical skills, you'll need to be a good communicator. You'll be working closely with clients, discussing strategies, presenting results, and building long-term relationships. Being able to explain complex concepts clearly and manage expectations will be vital for success. When it comes to tools, there are several essential ones you'll likely use throughout your career. These might include tools for managing your projects, such as Trello or Asana, communication platforms like Slack or Zoom, and finance tools like QuickBooks for invoicing and managing payments. As a freelancer, you'll need to be comfortable working with these tools to stay organized and efficient. The good news is that the job outlook for digital marketing professionals is positive. Digital marketing AI will continue to grow, but so will the need for creative minds who can craft personalized, engaging campaigns. With the right skills and a solid plan in place, you can build a thriving freelance career in this exciting and dynamic field. To sum up, becoming a freelance digital marketer in 2025 means adapting to new technologies, including AI, while also leveraging your own skills in creativity and strategy. AI won't replace digital marketing, but it will change the way you work. The future of freelance marketing is bright, and by combining your expertise with the power of AI, you can offer clients cutting-edge solutions that drive results. That's how you can kickstart your career as a freelance digital marketer in 2025. Remember, AI might be changing the game, but it's your creativity, strategy, and personal touch that will set you apart. If you found this video helpful and want more tips on digital marketing, emerging tech, and how AI is shaping the future, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel.